This video is brought to you by Car Color Trim. In this video, we feature the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick. Ford's new compact pickup truck features a 4.5-foot bed, a standard hybrid powertrain capable of over 40 miles per gallon, an optional 2-liter turbo with available FX4 off-road package. So join us as we take a tour of every exterior and every interior color option. We'll determine which colors are available with which trims and which trim you should buy. Plus we got multimedia options and more. If you find this video helpful and would like to support this channel, you can do so by subscribing and make sure you give us that thumbs up. The Maverick features 3 different interior color options: a basic black and gray cloth, a nicer navy pier and gray cloth that features orange accents, and if you don't want cloth, a desert brown leatherette. Notable options include a Bang & Olufsen 8-speaker stereo, heated front seats, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, sunroof, and more.